guys, I hope that you had a really good expiry. I also had a really good expiry. I had traded from two accounts. Both the accounts were in profit. You won't get to learn anything from the profit, but one thing you can learn is how I had managed my trade. All right, so I think that you will enjoy this video. Let me just go ahead and show you my PNL in both the accounts. And I had selected one at the money call option, sorry, at the money put option during the downfall, and the other one I had selected in the money put option during the downfall. But you won't believe, guys, the at the money had given me even more amount of profit because of the volatility. Today the IV was really high, and the delta and gamma came into play. And today's expiry, you know how much volatility there can be, how much of fear there can be in the market. And that's why, guys, I always say in expiry, trade with small quantity, 2 lots, 3 lots, but if you hold your winning trade for a long time, and if you're confident about it, then you can earn a lot more than you lose. Okay, even with 1:2 or 1:to 1.5 win rate ratio. Okay, let me just take you to the PNL right away. As you see, guys, bank nifty had gone up today, okay, from this point, and right over here you can see that it had crossed two of the resistance level which we had marked previously. Okay, over here it was making a bearish tendency, even though the the sentiments and everything was positive. But if it can't take out this high, the previous high, then I don't think that it'll ever be able to go up. Okay, and plus you have to understand that bank nifty was stretched. Okay, even now it's at a positive zone. You can see that it's at positive 0.6%. okay, bank nifty, that's the spot chart, 0.6% positive. It was at 1.5% plus. That's a lot for bank nifty. And after a huge breakdown, which I'll show you, okay, let me just show you. This was the breakdown which previously happened in bank nifty. This was the breakdown which previously happened in bank nifty, and after this huge breakdown you can see that it had gone down. All right, alright guys, finally we have booked our profit. You can see that I had I had the major profit in this. It also went to 20,000 rupees just with this put option, and I had worked with only 4 lots. And even in the other account, if I show you the other account also, you can see that I have made a profit of 3,700, and this also went to 5,000. But obviously, guys, we are not able to book our full profit. But the takeaway from this is that, guys, I was in a loss. You can see that when I was in a loss, I was in a loss of 2,000, but when I was in a profit, I was in a profit of 11,000. Okay, and I had only worked with 4 lots. Again, this you have to understand, this was the at the money option which I was speaking about, and didn't make a huge amount of move, but still it made a considerable amount of move. But the quantity sizing again was huge. Let me take you to the other account over here, and you can see that I had booked 11,000, and I had, and you can see that I was constantly updating the same in my Telegram group. One thing you'll notice, guys, in the morning I was in a profit. Okay, in the morning I was in a profit of 1,600 just with 1 lot, and later onwards I had entered into a loss phase. But I held on to this position, and I was adding into the quantity because I knew that the market won't sustain. Looking at the parameters, I knew that the market won't sustain, and you can see that I have shared my profit, I have shared my loss. But this is what happens, guys, when you are at a loss or at a profit. You have to control your emotions. You can see that it was hovering, and there's a time decay going on. And I had even mentioned very volatile market over here, and you can see that it was going, and when it had gone, I knew at this point there is no return. And you can see I had written boom, because I knew that now it's going to go, now it's going to go. And now you see, guys, now you just see the profits, just see the profits: 4,000, 3,000, 4,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, and it did go to 13,000 also in this account. But I had booked it at I could book it at 11,000 because I was also recording the live video. Okay, so I hope that you are getting motivated seeing all this, and I hope that you are enjoying. Anyways, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed today's session. Well, today everything was looking really positive in the morning. I also thought that today bank nifty will go up, and I had taken the morning trade also, which I had shared with my group. If you go to the Telegram channel, you'll find it that I had shared the morning trade. It was a really good trade because in the morning you have seen how the movement happened. Even with one lot, I had managed round about 1900 rupees profit, which I had shared in the morning trade video. Anyways guys, I would like to end this video by saying this takeaway for you guys. If you guys are seeing that you are incurring profits, but profits are really small, okay, every day you are making profits, but whenever you are making losses, the losses exceed your profits and it will wipe off all of your profits which you have earned throughout the week, okay, that means that you are following the wrong technique. Whatever your strategy may be, remember guys, when you are seeing a profit on your account, make sure that you sit on that profit. Don't book it, sit on that profit. And whenever you see a loss, you are incurring a loss, at that time you should panic guys. What we do is that we panic when we are seeing a profit, which is the opposite psychology. And the psychology which happens at that time is that we think that, oh no no, if this profit gets out of hand, or if we lose this profit, if it turns into a loss, that's why guys you are not able to book a huge amount of profit, and you end up booking small profits and incur huge losses. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video guys. Definitely share it with your friend if they are also interested in the stock market, and make sure to join in the Telegram group guys, because I share my analysis every single day. And I also tell you whether to hold on to the position or to square off a position if the position is going against you. But today you have seen that I have not squared off my position, even though it was going against me, because I knew, looking at the parameters, that it would go down. Bank Nifty was stretched, and you need these type of confidence to guide you. You need this type of people to share their PNL with you, to make sure that you are on the right track all over. And overall, make sure that you check how much points you have covered. Today we have covered more than 120 points. That is 1:2 easily, because I was taking a loss of 40 points only. All right, so I had bought the put option at 50 and it had gone to 189. I couldn't book it at that 175, somewhat at that level I had booked it, and then it had gone to 200. So anyways guys, we have booked a huge amount of profit. It was a really good expiry. I had booked a profit of 15,000 overall in both of the accounts. And yeah, I hope that you are enjoying all this. And yeah, I'll meet you next time in my Telegram channel. Hopefully, take care, bye.